It's the lace for me. That's what it is, the lace. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's K.monae, and today I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed my wig. My 22-inch transparent lace wig. Y'all see the lace? I know y'all see the lace. And I went for like a softer baby hair. So this is the first time of me doing that on my channel. So if you guys want to see how I install this wig, then keep on watching. So in today's video, we're going to be working with Modern Show Hair. This is a 22-inch body wave wig. But before we get into the details of the wig, let me show you guys what came inside of this pouch that they sent me. It came with some lashes. Cute little lashes. It came with a hair clip with pearls on it. If you know, you know pearls are in right now. It also came with a pink clip for when you install in your hair. That's cute. And all wigs come with wig caps nowadays. So it came with a wig cap and it came with a comb. And I used it. That was useful. That was helpful and a little baggy. But this is a 22-inch wig. It's 150 density. It's body wave transparent lace with a 13x6 lace frontal, which is good because you can part as far as you want. The inside came with 4 clips with the adjustable strap in the back. The body wave can flat iron really good. I got my hair straight right now and it's good. You would think it came straight. The knots on here are really tiny, so when I bleached I had no problem. Getting into the install, everything I did right here in this video is stuff that I usually do. Only thing that I'm doing different is gluing down the cap instead of using Got2b spray. So today I'm using Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive, and the first thing I'm going to do is cut the cap around my ears, and then I'm going to take the adhesive and mold around my hairline with the glue. So the glue is going to be my Got2b today, my Got2b spray today. I'm gonna use the glue instead because last time I used it, the results were just like better. Like you'll get a better ball cap this way and it stays. The ball cap actually stays. You know how with the Got2b glue, when you sweat it slide back? The glue makes the cap stay. So just mimic your hairline, not to get the glue on your hairline because you gotta think about it, it's still a sheer cap. It can go through the cap, but mimic your hairline with the glue. And then take your finger and then rub the glue out. Like you want to even it out so that when it dries evenly. So when I take my blow dryer, I'm going to dry it on cool and heat. Let it dry all the way because it's tacky and I want it to be like dry before I start cutting it. But this is the wig after I washed it, and I'm just gonna spray the hairline and then hot comb it back so when I put it on the hair don't get in my way. And I'm hot combing it on my knee with a white towel because as y'all can see, I'm not home. Like, I'm not home. So, see? I'll make sure it's all back. Okay, so this is what the inside of the wig is looking like. I cut all the combs off because I don't like combs in my wigs. So now I'm going to cut off my cap. No, we're not. We're not cutting off the cap yet. We're going to use the makeup first and then cut off the cap. So don't cut the cap off yet. Apply your makeup and then cut the cap off. And I'm going to do the same thing to the inside of my wig. Then I'm gonna do it to the hairline. Okay, so this is how the wig look on my head. Of course, I'm not gonna have it all the way up here, but I'm putting it on to make sure it fit the way I want it to fit. Make sure it's matching my skin correctly. And yeah, oh my god, I haven't had hair in a while. I mean a wig in a while. Oh, it does cover my boobs. Okay, because tomorrow when I take my pictures, I got like a little, you know, way I want on my hair. But okay, so the wig is fitting how I want it to fit. Now I'm going to put the glue where I want the hair to lay, and then I'm gonna cut what needs to be cut. My camera died when it was time to apply the glue, but you're just gonna apply 3 layers of glue and make sure to not get a hole in your cap like I did, but it's okay, we still made it work. 3 layers of glue. If you want to wear less, like your wig not so long, then do less than 3 layers. You can do 3 to 5 layers, it's up to you. Now it's time to lay it down. Make sure you place your wig where you want it to go before you press it in, because you don't want to get it down and then have to go back in. like white cast. I'm gonna take the same color that I put on the cap on the lace, like that. I'll put the part where it's supposed to be. Okay, y'all, so I like this wig because it's a 13x6 and you see how far you can part, like, period. Okay, y'all, like, do y'all not see this? Like, I don't even want to, like, I don't like how I look casty in the video, but like, if I get close, y'all know what's hitting for. Y'all know what's hitting for. And the phone don't lie. The phone don't lie. The phone don't lie. We're gonna keep it nice and simple. And I want to do fluffy baby hair, so I'm not gonna use got to be glue. Y'all, I did not mean to put the got to be spray in front of the camera, but I zoomed up so y'all can see what I'm doing. All I did was spray my edge control brush so I can get the baby hairs in place. Today I'm only using the got to be spray. I'm not using got to be gel because I want my baby hairs to stay soft. I don't want them to be hard. And make sure you use a smaller flat iron when you're trying to curl your baby hairs. I just left mine at home, so I had to use my big flat iron, but I did end up burning myself. So make sure you use a smaller flat iron when you're trying to curl your baby hairs. Okay, y'all, so this is it for this video. My hair is popping or whatever. Popping. I like my hair. But y'all, this hair is so bomb. So make sure y'all go shop. Make sure y'all use the code down in the description and get y'all this hair, because baby, look, this 22 inches. 22 inches. Do y'all see that? It's even touching my butt. Like, it's almost gonna touch my butt. And this is 22 inches. 22 inches, 13 by 6, body weight, 150 density. This is not even 180. This is 150. And y'all see how, like, it's not even giving 150 thin. Like, you better go get this wig. You better go get this wig. And I wasn't even capped to y'all, because when I tell y'all I don't like a wig, I be saying I don't like it like that. But I like it like that. So go ahead and get y'all this wig. Like, it's the lace for me. That's what it is, the lace. Like, it's the cast that be going when I go like this. But y'all see that. Ain't nothing made up over here. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all go get y'all wig. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.